Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the next session, Chapter 2, Globe, a model of the Earth. In this session, I am going to teach about spheroid shape, oceans and continents. Spheroid shape. Actually, the Earth is not like a perfect sphere, which means it was not perfectly in a round shape. It is a little pressed at the North Pole and South Pole. On the North Pole and South Pole, it was pressed a little. You can observe the given picture, spheroid shape of the Earth, and bulges slightly in the middle around a line called equator. Around the equator, the size of the Earth was increased. Bulges means increased. Equator is passing middle of the Earth. Around the equator, the size of the Earth was increased. You cannot observe these changes on the globe or any other maps because these changes were very little changes. That's why you cannot observe any map or any globe. Observe the changes on sphere and spheroid. Picture was given there about spherical shape of the Earth and spheroid shape of the Earth. Picture was given there. You can observe the changes on the two pictures. There are many interesting things about our Earth and its shape. We never fall from the Earth. We fall on the Earth, but we never fall from the Earth because it has a gravitational force. That's why it pulls us towards it. That's why we never fall from the Earth. We fall on the Earth. Another interesting thing is about the shape of the Earth. When we start our journey from at one place in one direction, we need not to come back to reach the starting point. We shall go ahead to reach the starting point because our Earth is in a spherical shape. That's why when you travel from at one place, we can reach the same place because of its shape was spherical. That is the one of the interesting thing about our Earth. Some 600 years ago, most of the people believed that the Earth was flat in shape. That's why they were afraid to travel towards any direction. If they travel towards any direction, they would fall off into the sky. That is the belief of the people about our Earth. Around 1400 AD, scientists and seafarers began to figure out the shape of the Earth. They believed that it must be like a ball. That is why Columbus, the Italian explorer, set out from Europe in 1492 AD. He was traveled towards the western direction with the hope of reaching India. Of course, he did not reach India, but he reached to Caribbean islands near America. You can observe the Caribbean islands on the given map, and Caribbean island details also given there. Oceans and continents. Large water bodies are called as oceans, and large land mass is called as continent. You can observe oceans and continents on the globe. There are 7 continents on the globe: Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, Europe, North America, and South America. In the North Polar region, Arctic Ocean is there. Its water is frozen position throughout the year, which means this ocean is freezing position throughout the year. In the South Polar region, Antarctica continent is there. Its land was covered with a huge accumulation of the ice. In other continents, we can see villages, towns, cities, hills, valleys, rivers, lakes, etc. Thank you, children.